Hey now, Mark Farley here with the Steering Wheel Camera Society of America. You know what a really good science project is? You get a bunch of people together, make a satellite, you send it to Pluto. All the way at the edge of the solar system. You talk about needle in a haystack. This is like a needle in 1,000 haystacks, and they stick it right at Pluto. I mean, that's a really cool science project. Most of us can't get that done. Hats off to NASA. Great job. You know what a bad science project is? A bad science project is replacing an enterprise storage array that's running out of gas with, a bunch of servers that you're putting together. You take software and you load it on them, you take memory and you load it on them, you take storage and you load it on there, and you do all this balancing. I mean, it really sounds cool and interesting and all that. Then you figure out, well, how am I going to back this stuff up? I don't know. And then sometime later you think, I wonder what I'm actually going to do if I ever have to recover this whole thing, right? What do I do, right? Well, you're taking care of that because you've been replicating it, but you're replicating it and you're building a science project at this site and a science project at that site, and you got a lot of science projects going on. The workload's going to change, you're going to do something else. And it's quite a bit different than what you thought. And it's like, well, I didn't really think of that. I wish I would have known this when I started working on this science project. Why not just replace that old storage array? Maybe you've got a NetApp box, for instance, and it's like long in the tooth, right? The words that go together, NetApp, long in the tooth. Your NetApp array is long in the tooth. What are you going to do? Well, you can get another NetApp array and you can turn it into a cluster. Or do I just want to go out and buy storage arrays that have everything that I need, that have all the performance that I need? They're going to be able to connect to Fiber Channel, iSCSI, NFS, server message block, handle whatever workload you have. VDI, 500 desktops, 1,000 desktops, 1,500 desktops, 2,000 desktops. Why not get a machine that can do that? SQL, Oracle, File, Exchange, you name it. What do you want to run on it? Cover all your bases. Yeah, integrates with vCenter? Yeah, right? Come and talk to us at Tegile. Tegile Systems makes the most flexible arrays in the business. We're not a science project company. We're a get-the-job-done company. We've got great data reduction. And once you get it in, it's going to perform like a rock star. You take the shortest path to success. This is Mark Farley, Steering Wheel Camera Society of America, over and out.